Hi guys, I promised you a video for all those guys who adopted Kiro very soon and just update it and make it immediately a tutorial for educational purposes. I've downloaded one of the ISOs from SourceForge. Took a while, so there's that, but it's free. And that matters for us. So version 11 it is. It's good enough because the signing and all that, that's what I want to explain. Let's first get everything installed. And use the time again to go over some things here. So either you have something, a wish, then to change some things. Calamares Tweak Tool is there for you to change these things and encrypt, right? But as a default user, I would say start first what we get and see if you like it. And then change. Your decision, what you want, right? I'm going to take this one. Each video takes something different, so that's all it is. You just choose. And then if this is the first time you see the video for see Kiro, then you read a little bit, right? Arch-based Linux system, so it's not Debian, it's not NixOS, you know, it's Arch. Okay, there's a teacher in the box, basically, and the teacher. I have 5,800 videos on Arch, on Linux, and prior to that on Linux Mint, and prior to that on Tergos, remember that name. All right, so many videos. I'm a teacher by profession, so I like what I do, right? And a passion for computers, and my brain is happy when it needs to analyze things. That much I've learned, but from time to time my brain can get weary, tired, and I needed a break. So all things here, one click at a time. Okay, swap between 13 desktops on demand. Did not add one, so it's still accurate. All right, 7 tiling window managers and 6 desktops like Plasma, NXFC, Cinnamon, the well-known GNOME as well, of course, Budgie. So these guys, we do like styling, design. I created these icons, Surfing icons, Sardi icons, Neocandi icons. So that's, I always say we have to look at the screen all day long. I would appreciate that every little application has a nice icon, right? Nothing more, nothing less. That's all it's there for. And for the rest, it's personal. Do you like this? Do you like that? It's personal. If your Internet Firefox icon is not nice, or you would want to have some color in the Chromium, like in Google Chrome, right? It doesn't really matter. After some time, you don't see it anymore, right? But yes, the theming is important. All the looks, I Control T, FF, the design, the colors, the schemes, everything I touch should be nice. Onboard has been added for accessibility. First reflex, let's theme it. 5 extra themes developed with Claude. So theming is basically on my mind. That's the synthesis. With that said, there's also a technical knob in my brain, and that's the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. Less design, more functional. I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that, right? I want to have different kernel, pronto. Then you go to the kernels. Different icons. I want a different desktop. Why not install one of those desktops? Erik is talking about Qtile, Cinnamon. Why not this one, right? Why not? Why not? i3, why not that one? It still has a logo of ArchLinux, I see. So that's my heritage. Someday I will change it. That's not that important. Arch is underneath. It is curated. If you ever installed a pure Arch, it's a black screen. You have to type your thing Thank God we got Arch install, which is a little bit more intuitive, but TUI. So basically user interface in the terminal. That's a bit better, but still there are lots of things and questions users probably have if you have never touched Linux ever, right? It's too hard. But this isn't. You have something graphical. You see me do it. Click the same things. Now in VirtualBox, it says, let's boot up with the CD-ROM, DVD, right? No. Pull out your USB stick, then boot up again. Then we have two choices. CachyOS as first one, Zen as fallback, LTS. Maybe a better fallback. It's a long-term support. So a quick switch in the ATT, the application you just saw, install LTS, and it's installed. Just click of a button. So XFC is where I want to go. So the guys who were rolling, that's the topic of the video still. You were rolling. First of all, new wallpaper, right? It's a nice wallpaper, but we're fed up already with it 2 weeks later, right? Alt-N, 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 let the wallpapers come in. We'll stop with the one we like. Alt-F, Alt-T. How do I know all this? Control, Super, S. Our system and systems, i3, BSPWM, Awesome, Left WM, Oh My Chat WM, Chat WM, right? They all have key bindings. XFC is no different. XFC is no different. So learn these key bindings because guess what? The same key bindings apply. Let me close the window. Much better. I think it's time to go home, although 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday. Anyway, it's the key bindings are everywhere the same. So 13 desktops. Well, some of them we've kept virtually without any key binding, but all our tiling window managers, TWM things, all have key bindings. They work, they thrive on key bindings, right? It's the workflow for a TWM not to use the mouse and everything in key bindings. So if you learn this one here, it will be so easy to go to any of the TWMs. Wow. So update. The only thing we actually should cover, Erik, is this little bit. Oh my God, right? I can talk and talk. Sorry. Voila. Update. 135 updates. It is my profession, right, to talk. I am a teacher. Hopla. This is always the thing, right? The keyring. Is everything okay with the keyring? Is the keyring okay? Is it sick? No, it's not sick. If it is, fix the keyring. Fix key, right? There are a few fixes going around. It's all the same. If you type this, or if you type that, if you type that, if you type that, if you type this, if you type that, it all points to the same thing, so you don't need to remember how was it written again, right? It's going to be the same thing. Now, I think we're stuck here in 63, so you have to be, well, cautious, but not too cautious, right? Control C, boom, stop, arrow up, do it again. So an arrow up is basically the new command. The previous command, fetch the previous command, and enter is commit, right? Send it again. So don't be too cautious anyway. You see me do it, right? It works. But yeah, a hard reboot while it's writing away a kernel is not a good idea, right? Updates come in. If you went to the internet there's just one site that is just awesome. That's the Kiro project.be, right? I'm not putting websites in your browser. I can do that, right? I can push all kinds of things in the browser. No, it's your browser. Won't touch it. because of this little thing, it's not little at all, right? Active AWR malicious packages incident, everybody scared, right? We're okay. Kiro is not involved in all that, but still it made me decide to go for a signing, right? You can sign packages. So this one here, the version 14 is now officially a signed package verification ISO distro, right? But what if you were rolling before that decision, before the 14th of June, and you started already the 1st of June? Not difficult at all. Two things to remember: they're already in, so I'll try to remove it so you see that they are in, right? Mirror list is in, and the keyring is in. Two things that are required that you can't remove, because basically that's how Pacman is gonna check it's coming from Erik, nobody else. Okay, no hackers in between. Now, Pacman, your package manager, is still in doubt, right? Because this is a file that comes with the ISO, and the only thing you need to do is clean this up. And I was thinking, I can just make a button, right? Go change it, click, boom, done. Nobody's the wiser. But one of the things we do is, it's not a black box, right? We want to share as much information as we can, which means no button, right? We'll communicate with the news. There is something that we call news. Yeah, I'll check you later. I don't have time now, right? You'll see when we reboot, if you reboot, you see here an icon that's called news, and I'll push there, remember to change and all that. But this is what you need to do. This one needs to go. That one needs to go. While we're deleting, let's keep deleting. This one needs to go, just for convenience, just for basically the same thing as the one above. Equals etc pacman.d and then Kiro mirror list. That's it. Should I make an application or a button for that? In the meantime, I can explain you that this line is going to file system etc pacman.d. Here they all are, right? All the friends are here. This is Arch. This is the mirror list, Kiro, cachyos, chaotic. So there they are. And the line we removed, if you go and I'll show you later. If you scroll up, you see here SIG level, required database optional. It's set that way anyway. So it's in the options. There are here categories, let's say, right? Options, and in the options, it is set. So setting the same thing again down here doesn't make sense. So this is cleaner, nicer, 3 lines. And if you say, oh, cachyos, I want to get a new kernel in, fine, right? Go in here, get a new kernel in, Ctrl X, yes, please. Many kernels. Update the system. So U is the shortest version, update is a bit longer, but U, and then you have this cachyos is up to date, right? And then you can have a look. Let's make this bigger. I wanted to do this in previous video and I did not do that in the end. -s Linux tap. Yes, right? Choose your kernel. We have, of course, the Ctrl-Alt-E, which is graphical. It's the same thing, right? A GUI just lies over a terminal. What we do here with the kernels, install linux-lts, is basically same thing here, install linux-lts, this one, right? With headers. I think they need me. Anyway, this is all you need to do. And then you're up and rolling, the signing is fixed, everything is okay. Just keep on rolling, because that's how Arch rolls, basically. Cheers.